Hello everyone, welcome back to the another session in series of learning C programming. This is the second program, and this program is to declare a variable. In the last video you might have noticed that initialization of variable is giving the value in the program itself. If you look at this, here we already come across with this hash include stdio.h, and this is what my standard input output file. So standard input function is taken from this header file. Now if you look at the program, the standard input function is what? Scanf, right? Now this is what the scanf function, and this is taken from this header file. And now printf is an output function. Now whatever you wanted to see on the screen, that will be given from printf function. Now printf and scanf are input and output functions which are taken from this header file, because these are predefined, and this will be available in this header file, right? Now look at this variable once. This variable is declared. Just we declared this variable to the program as a variable, right? Now I'm just calling this as variable declaration. Now we declared a variable, but we didn't assign a value here, right? Now how I can assign a value? I have two options. The first option is variable value can be given in the program and here itself, right? If I can write a is equal to 5 here. If I write here, then I have to call this process with variable initialization, and that will be constant. You cannot get multiple values into the variable for every time execution. If you wanted to change the value dynamically, you have to give the value in the runtime using scanf function. Now this is what the scanf function. Using this function, we can read the value in the runtime. Now, so this is what printf statement, just it will be print the statement that enter value for a. Now the very important is this scanf percentile d. Why percentile d? Because a is declared as integer data type, so access specifier should be percentile d. And ampersand a, address of a, the value what I am going to give in the output, that will be placed in address of a, because we are specifically showing the location to place the value of a, right? So whenever you write scanf function, don't forget to write access specifier in double quotes and separator operator, which is comma, and address of a. For example, if I have here two variables, then I have to separate this with comma definitely. And here also I should write percentile d, which specifies the second integer value and which will be available in address of b. Look at this. This is in the case of two values or two variable declaration. And now look at the third function, third statement, printf. Value of a is percentile d. Now what do you mean by this percentile d? Percentile d specifies it's a value which is going to print on the screen, and this value is available in a. So like this we have to write. So if you wanted to see the b variable also, what we'll do is we'll put one more percentile d here, and before we'll write a statement which is b value is. Look at. So in the place of percentile d, we can see the value what is already placed through scanf function. Now let's save this program as I modified this. Now let's build the program, that means compile the program. And when you compile this program, if you have any errors, it will be shown on the on the window of log. If it doesn't have any error, then we can directly go to this run. Now look at this run but window. Now here we got the statement which is enter value for a. Now look at here. Now this is the statement what I given. In printf, enter value for a is there, no? So it came directly onto the output screen. Now next is no statement is coming. Why? Because we are going to give the value of 2 through scanf. So if you entered here 2 values, then it now I am giving 8 and 9. Fine. Now look at here, I gave 8 and 9. Now you can see this statement, value of a is 8, b value is 9. Fine. So this is the way how you can declare a variable through scanf function. You can do the example once you learn this code. Thank you all.